Boom, what's up viewers and subscribers? You don't know, so it's a boy Fayskull, and welcome to another video. You know what I mean? Alright, so if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and click the subscription button and subscribe to the channel so that the channel can grow. And if you like this video, you want to show support to Fayskull Entertainment, you can just give the video a like and just leave a comment in the comment section as to, you know what I mean, what you think about this song. Alright, so today I will be reacting to a brand new song just dropped by 450. Song title More Upon More. You see me, I said we're not gonna do no hyper chatting, we just go ahead and react to this song. Alright, so I'm gonna pull up the song right now. Alright, so everybody don't know 450. 450, I want bad artist, you see me, I say. So alright, so the video load up. You see me? Actually, I scroll through YouTube. I'm just buck up on the song. I'm just clip on the song. You see me? I say, I didn't even get to hear. I didn't even get to hear most of the song. You see me? I say, oh, this is not sure. And guys, me have a very poor internet speed, so this might buffer a little bit. And this song was produced by Black Shadow. You see me? I say, and Triton. You see me? The video directed by Triton. Song produced by Black Shadow. And this was edited by Shot by Shaq. Alright, so 450, More Upon More. Let's go. And based on how this sound right now, I can tell say yo, this is gonna be one bad blood clot already. I can hear it. You see me? As me I see a piece at me hearing them, I hear all like it. You see me? More to know, what kind of vibe that song you give? Is it giving you a party vibes? Is it giving you a normal chill back vibes? Or is it giving you a advice where you make you want for wine upon some girl? What kind of vibes that give? Leave it down in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Make your good soul. Clutch stick for you when me done with your wall. Charge up like me dep on a blue pill. Girl dropping nice bounce to my music. Strip, someone put her for sit pan. Something what she say she never ever see. Justify it and stretch your. When you want good fuck, you know how to find me. The dog say, when she want good fuck, she know how to find it. My keys and I put the tip inside it. Yeah, my predict like my psychic. Swear, cut stick for you when we done with your one. Stretch out. But nah lie, it's a good song. You see me? I say, I like the video. I like the girls that in the video. I like the what they call it. I like the scenery in the video. You see me? I say, as me I say, yo, summertime and based on what go on now, people that start release songs that are projecting a summer vibes, you know what I mean? So yo, I like the vibes, I like the video, you know what I mean? I like the lyrics, I love the rhythm. You see me I say? Because the rhythm give me a different vibes, you know what I mean? It now give me a chill back vibes. They give me a different, they give me an energetic wine girl vibes. But let me know what you think in the description. What's your thoughts? Make your good son. Stretch out, cause you don't easy. Get out of that no way that in. Bro, what's the temperature right now? What's the highest temperature in Miami right now? Cause yo, Jamaica hot your fucking brother. And I guess we Jamaica them more in the equator than Miami, right? But let me ask. Cause we have a technology where I say we can ask AI. Hey, AI.
Hey.
In like, what's the temperature like in Miami midday, 12 o'clock? Oh crap, jump out. All right, scrap that. Like AI fuck itself. All right, please.
Your is a priority, so you go on. Cause you got the glimity, broke man can't fuck you in this economy.
The man saying a broke man can't fuck no girl or fuck that girl in this economy. Nah lie still no bro. Jamaica economy a fuck you know. Bro, you know see the price of gas. You know see the price of food and shit there.
Yeah.
That well on the AI. Me tell her bro. And it's not just Jamaica, you know, the whole world. You see me? The whole world have face a hard time right now due to some circumstances we are going with some. I don't want to say it, but you see me? But this line where that Japanese song could have never be more real, bro. It's a real fucking line that brother. But the AI like it to start pull up and right it. Yeah, Chat GPT. Quick question. What's the temperature like in Miami compared to Jamaica midday?
Checking now. Okay, so midday in July, Miami and parts of coastal Jamaica are pretty similar, around 32 to 33 degrees Celsius.
Oh,
But Miami usually feels hotter because the humidity is brutal.
damn. And see that give you a yo, AI just so freaking high tech, bro. It'll give you the fucking breakdown and shit there, bro. Yo, if you not tell the truth, bro, if you not use AI right now, you'll get left behind, bad man. Because I mean, we don't really come to talk about AI still, no, but we really come to talk about 450 more upon more. You see me? I say, but if you not use AI, bro, you get fucking at this world. You see me? You get left behind. Bro, I see AI I take over people jobs, bro. AI I drive taxi. AI I fly plane and shit there. AI I do school for kids. Bro, AI I take call. Feel in your car, blood clot, digital or flu. AI I talk to, bro. So, yo, you have to accept AI, bro. If you don't accept it, you go left. You get left behind, bad man. But enough ranting on that. Let's get back to the song.
I show my clothes and ears and ear bust down. Police send me a con. Who give you more per more?
As me I say, bro, the song is a good song. I'm drop a gunshot for that. You know what I mean? Bad song. Bad song for the summer. Bad song for this whole of vibes too. You see me? Bad song for this wine couple girl too. You see me? I say, and bro, it's a good song. Big man thing.
Stretch out, cause you don't easy for boy. Who give you more? Think for you when me done with your whole. Yo. She said my charge up like me get on a blue pill.
I wish blue pill that I talk about.
Papa strip, someone put her for sit past something when she said she never ever.
Me charge up like me dep on a blue pill.
Justify it and stretch your tightness. Oh, me know you like this. When you want good girl, my pretty kill like my psychic. Who give you more per more? Cause you don't easy for boy.
As me I say, it's a bad song. You see me I say? Bad song.
Give you more per more. Who make you good?
The girl them look good in the video too. Big man thing. It's a good look. You know what I mean? I love the environment. This look like how spot this? Is this in Jamaica or is this in Miami?
Easy for boy. Who give you more per more? Stretch out, cause you don't easy for boy.
Yeah, so that was 450 more upon more. You know what I mean? Good song, good vibes, video bad, rhythm bad, song bad, lyrics bad. You know what I mean? It seems like a lot of work was put into this song. As me I said, this song was produced by Black Shadow. You know what I mean? Video directed by Triton. Triton. You know what I mean? As me I say, yo, big up to 450 and his production. You know what I mean? As me I say, yo, if you like this video, make sure you give the video a like. Follow the social media platforms within the description. What's your favorite line in this song? You know what I mean? And also, if you are aware, what are your thoughts on AI? You know what I mean? Chat GPT, robot, and all them things. They sound crazy, but want to know your thoughts in the description section. Until next time, people. Fayskull out. Boom!